Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to clear ChatGPT cache to fix loading and lag problems. If the app feels slow, stuck and won't load properly, clearing its cache can give it a fresh start. Close the ChatGPT app completely, swipe it up from the bottom of your screen, find ChatGPT and swipe it away to fully clear it from memory. Next, what you're gonna do is clear Safari cookies and data. Go to settings, search for Safari, scroll down and then click on clear history and web data, and then click on clear history. This will remove cache, login and session data ChatGPT relies on which often fixes loading issues. Now what you're gonna do is restart your iPhone to flush out temporary background flies and files that could be affecting app performance. Next step is to offload the app. Go to settings, so click on iPhone storage, scroll down and then look for ChatGPT and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keeps its document and data. Reinstalling the app will paste back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if the problem persists, delete and reinstall the ChatGPT app from your app store. Your chat history will be saved to your OpenAI account, so you won't lose anything when you sign back in. Privacy tip: clearing cache only removes local temporary files, not your account and data. Always reinstall ChatGPT from the official app store to keep your account safe. Quick fix: if it's still laggy, log out the app, clear Safari cookies again, then log back in. This resets the session fully and usually clears up stubborn loading loops. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.